Let's make a pizza. With power tools!
Nice and slow, okay?
All right, bring it on in. Dump it down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Put on the cheese! Pineapple on your pizza? Follow if you think pineapple on your pizza is gross. Time to cook the pizza. Let's see how she tastes. Not bad. Oh.